Alright guys, this is going to be a little bit different video than what I usually do, what I've been doing with the vlogs. This is just going to be some raw helmet cam footage of me on the SSR 189. Here I'm going to be in a practice session for Pit Bike Does Nations race, which is a race organized just for these types of bikes. So here I'm just taking off for the first practice session of the day. And if you don't know what this practice is for, if you go watch my previous video, I did a full vlog on racing this race. So there you can see a guy just lose it on the flat track sections. They're extremely slick. This was a purpose-built motocross track for these mid-sized dirt bikes, and it's built in the infield of a flat track, so they actually used part of the flat track for sections of this, and they were really slick. So there's multiple wrecks that happen on those. There you can see a guy that's much faster than me. I'm just kind of out there feeling the bike out at this point. I got a lot of comments and questions about this bike on my old YouTube channel, so figured I'd do some raw helmet cam footage with a little commentary just to kind of narrate what was happening. So you can see the tracks, it's not for beginners. They worked it pretty deep and it's got a lot of moisture, so you can notice the ruts. I'm skipping that double in the first practice session just to get warmed up. There you can see another guy went down on the flat track sections. This bike is actually a buddy of mine's. It's not mine. He let me borrow it for this race. I've had previous seat time on it before. It is bone stock, other than we have played with the jetting in the stock car. You can hear it kind of not running clean at certain parts of the throttle, and I think it would benefit from a carb swap, which hopefully I'll get to that in another video. You can see it pulling on the bike in front of me. I think that guy's on a Honda CRF 150. Guys, the motor, if you're looking at either the SSR 150 or the SSR 189, the motors in both of them are extremely solid. The stock tires are Chinese tires, and I didn't have very much confidence in them. They are just a really generic Chinese tire, and you could really benefit from putting some decent tires on this bike, I think. Suspension's fully capable of riding a track like this with some smaller jumps. Rear shock is a little stiff, but you know, this is by no means your stock TTR 125's suspension. This is fully, there you can see that guy went down. This is fully capable of doing some jumps like this and soaking up some stuff if you case it. You really are getting a solid bike right out of the factory. You can hear me kind of rolling these corners in second gear, and it's got plenty of torque. This track was really kicking my butt. This was the second time I'd been on a dirt bike in the last 2 years. You can see it pulling nice there. Brakes are really good on this. It's got really good disc brakes, front and rear. you're wondering about the front fender decal and stuff, both these SSR bikes use KTM 85 SX plastics. So on this bike, it's just got a KTM Red Bull graphics kit applied to it. He's a much faster guy than me, so I just take this optional inside line here. I'm not a mud rider, guys. I hate mud. So here I'm just going to let some of these faster guys get around me. As you can see, they're all riding TTRs, a couple KLXs, a lot of CRF 150F Hondas. Sorry, I'm not demoing this bike the best. I'm not a very fast motocross rider, never have been. There's a few laps though around a purpose-built motocross track for these bikes. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I know there's a lack of information on these SSRs out there, and I'm going to try and get to a full review on both the 189 and the 150. But a couple of buddies saw the raw footage and gave me the idea. They really thought I should post the raw helmet cam footage of practice session, so I thought I'd do a little voiceover commentary instead of leaving you guys guessing what was going on. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully I'll be able to get a full review of these bikes here soon. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.